might have gone a little crazy, but you already know we have another major haul, so let's go through literally all of this. Let's start off with the big package. Oh my gosh, okay, this is a good one. I'm very excited about this one. So this one has multiple, I don't even know what this says. Multiple things. So let's reveal one by one. Okay, what you're gonna see is what you're gonna get. So it's me opening everything for the first time. I'm gonna open this one first because this is probably like my favorite brand of all the brands. So, oh my gosh. She's a little dented, but it's like she was in the package with everything else. So I'm sure she'll be okay. It does come with the stuff inside, and the leather feels actually really nice. There's a little magnet, so that's the way it closes, and that's the inside right there, and then the tag right there. It's cute as heck. This is so freaking cute. And it also comes with a little tag. This one I actually just peeked inside, and bro, look at this. The perfect bag for summer. Are you kidding? Like literally, I'm so happy. And this is also like a crossbody, but you can wear it as a clutch if you like. This is around the inside, and the tag is right there, and you also get this right here. This is done so nicely. I'm actually like extremely impressed. Wow, I'm very happy about this one too. You also get the name right there on the zipper. This is the final look, and you have the little strap, and it also has the name right there on the buckle. And you could either wear it like this or turn around and have this part. Next we have this one. And what is she? Oh my gosh. Stop. No, literally stop. She's a little small on the inside, so it's just like the essentials, and that's literally it. But wow, and amazing quality too. Like literally all of these, everything that I'm showing in this haul, it's top quality to almost master. This is the perfect length of bag. Look at her. To open it, you pull this down and it comes up, and to close it you will hold this part of the L down and plug it up like so. 10 out of 10. Next, this one that I have no idea what it is. Oh, this is for spring and summer, but mainly spring right here. I know you're lying. Are you kidding? It's on the inside and the tag right there. This is it. I have nothing to say because I'm actually so speechless at how cute this is. Amazing details. There's the name right there, and then to open it you just twist this part and open it like so. This seller is literally chef's kiss, and all these bags, DHgate. Last but not least, and these were all from the same seller, so this is what you're gonna get with this is what you're gonna get when you buy from him. Wait, this is massive. Oh my god, wait. This is so big. I saw the photo and I didn't think it was gonna be this big. You have this strap for the zipper, which there is also the name on the zipper. You could fit your house in here. I actually don't own anything from the Murakami collection, and this is my first one, and this is a great way to enter, honestly. This is it on the inside. It's like a suede material, and then there's a tag right there. Look at it. comes with this little charm tag. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has the logo, the name on all of these little stud things. Wow. Wanted to show you guys her again because I left her out for a little bit and she's already starting to form back up. So all of these are from the same seller, and I honestly think that this is the perfect collection. Every single one of these bags is absolutely perfect for spring and summer. So literally go get it because the quality on these, I'm speechless. 10 out of 10 quality. Go buy these. We're gonna continue in part 2 with the rest of the bags.